Agricultural frost protection fabric. This is where it all begins. First of all, it's made from 100% virgin polypropylene resins brought in from various suppliers throughout the world. What you're seeing here is some from U.S. mills, some from Iranian mills, and various other countries. The polypropylene is then put into these mixers, which they call batchers. The resins are then fed in through a vacuum system into the ovens on the above of these extruders. Once the resins are melted, they're sprayed into these chambers, and depending on the thickness of the spray depends on the thickness of the material coming out of the extruders. A thinner spray, a thinner gauge of material. Here you see in the final products exiting out of the extruder onto a rewind station or roll. There are a total of 6 of these extruders in the facility, and they can range in width from 3.2 meters and less. There's the latest and newest extruder where they can double laminate, take 2 fabrics and laminate them together to create a different type. This here, what you're looking at, is a rewind station, taking the bulk rolls from the extruders, putting them into rewind station to roll down to the finish lengths. The bulk rolls could contain numerous finished rolls. Here's just a few shots of some other processes. This is a automatic folder for other products like tablecloths and sheets for the hospitals, etc. We're now in the building where the frost blanket is assembled to meet the width of the order. What you're seeing here is the bulk rolls. These will all be placed on these creos of the gluing machine line. There's 5 creos, and we can 4 double glue line machines, 2 on each side of the line. So they can put together in one pass 5 3.2 meter wide panels, which would give us up to 15 meters wide material. What you're seeing here is one of the glue machines. Glue is injected through small tubular lines. Down here at the end, you should be able to see the finished glue lines. There's a cooling system just past the glue machines, which cools the glue. And here you're seeing the finished glue lines on the product, consistently in width, each glue line. This has become your bulk roll, and from there, we'll be moving, once they've created their bulk roll, it'll be moved over to a rewind station. There's the rewind station. You'll see the bulk roll there, and it's being rewound to the finished length, which is much tighter, as you can see from the bulk roll. Once rewound, they wrap the finished roll with a clear plastic, and then again with a second plastic in green. And then it would be just finished packaging and labeled, as you can see here.